I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, Murray, Utah. Here to show you how to remove the bathroom sink drain assembly. First thing that will need to happen is you'll need to remove the lift rod from down below so that you're able to remove the stopper. Once you have the stopper removed, take your pliers and loosen the lock nut from the bottom. That may take a minute. Sometimes they're a little bit rusty. Once you get that removed, you'll want to work the drain assembly up so that you can get hold of the ring on top. And again, you may need your pliers. Go ahead and get hold of that ring. And unscrew it. Once you have that thing loosened, remove the ring. The rest of the drain assembly will come out from the bottom side. There's your drain assembly. This here is your plunger or lift rod that I was talking about that needs to be removed. Unscrew this nut. The rod pulls out. This here is the lock nut that you loosen from underneath when you're removing this. Once we get this back in, lift rod goes back in. This is what works your plunger up and down. Now you've got it apart, you've got your new one in hand. Now we're going to show you how to reinstall this properly. First thing you'll need is plumber's putty. We'll take a small amount of this. You roll it into a snake, about a 1/2 inch diameter. Place it around the drain ring. Take the other piece, slide it up from the bottom, tighten the ring on, and then you can proceed to tighten the lock nut from the bottom side. So at this point, as you're tightening this down, you want to make sure that the threads for your lift rod are facing towards the back so that everything goes back together smoothly and you're able to reconnect the stopper. At this time, take your stopper, slide it down in, reattach the rod from the bottom, and you've got it installed, ready for water. And I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, in Murray, Utah. We've shown you how to remove and reinstall the drain assembly for your bathroom sink.